What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a cartoon illustration of Virgil van Dijk. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We'll start from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom, and then bend that back up towards the top. Now you can leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So let's start by lining up the top, come all the way down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. So up against the edge of the eye, I'm going to bring this in and back out. And then we'll fill the outside of the eyes in black, going around that highlight. Now on the top of the eyes, let's curve the brow, coming in and then up. Go back to the top, bend the eyebrow going out towards the side. Now I'm going to add some thickness to the brow. Starting from the outside, we're going to go up, down, and then in. And we'll fill the inside of the eyebrows. Now I'm going to move in between the eyes and draw the bottom edge of the nose. Let's curve this down and then up. Let's step up and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Let's move down and add a curve for the mouth, coming down and then up. And we'll add a bracket on the ends. Let's go back to the center and draw the upper lip. Start with a point, go up and out like a V. Bend this down and then out towards the side. Now you want to draw on the lower lip, starting back over on the left, come down and then up. Now from here we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside left eye, let's step out, curve this down, come in underneath the mouth, go across and then bend that up towards the right side. On the bottom, let's add a curve, going up the middle, and then back down, and we'll fill the beard in black. Now let's go back up and draw the top half of the head. Starting from the left side, we're just going to bump this out, go up and in towards the top, round up the head, come around and just bend that in. And then we're going to add the edge of the hairline. Starting back on the side, go up and bend that in around the eyes. Let's add another curve, going up and then in toward the top. Close off the top with a curve going up and then back down. Now I'm going to add the ears on the side of the head. Let's start on the left, go up, come down, and then bend that in. Let's add the fold along the top of the ear, going up and then out. Let's go back to the inside and add a hook, coming out and then in. Now I want to add the edge of the ponytail just underneath the left ear. So we're going to come around and just pull that up underneath the head. And then I'll switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the hair and that ponytail. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the side of the body. We'll start over on the left side, leaving a gap underneath the head, bend the body going out, and then down towards the hip. Line this up over on the right, going out, and then down towards the same height. Let's connect the hips with a curve, going down, and then bending that up. Let's add the collar along the top, starting on the left, come down, and then up, and I'm going to trace that along the inside. Let's add the Nike symbol over on the left, coming down and then angling this up and in. Go back to the left, come down and then up. Now we're going to continue working down towards the bottom of the feet. In the center, let's step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, bend the foot, coming down and then up. Now going back over towards the left side, we draw the top of the foot, we go up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and we'll just curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. And then we'll go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Starting from left hip, bend this out, and then down on top of the feet. Let's add a thick sole on the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Now let's go back up and draw the bottom edge of the shorts. We're going to start from the outside, curve down, and then up, and then line that up on the right side. Step down and add another curve for the top edge of the socks. Let's add a large number 4 on the right side. We're going to start on the inside, come down, and then out. Come straight down towards the bottom. Close off the bottom. Now I'm just going to work our way along the outside. Go up towards the top. Let's close off the top, and we'll just trace the inside. Now let's move up and draw the inside of the arms. We're going to start halfway between the chin and the hip, starting right here, then the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. And we'll line that up on the right side. From the wrist, let's draw a small half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb. We're going to come down and up around that bracket, come out towards the side, go out, and bend that up. Let's add the 3rd finger going all the way around along the outside of the arm and just tuck that in underneath the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Along the top of the arm, let's add a curve for the sleeve. We're going to go up and then out. Let's step up and draw that again. And then on the right side, we're going to add 2 more curves to the captain's band. So I'm leaving a small gap. Draw the first curve, and once more. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Virgil van Dijk. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. We've got some exciting news to share with all of you. We're offering a variety of incredible options to level up your art skills. Join our exclusive masterclass memberships for just $1 a month, or catch more free tutorials on our Excel sketch channel every week. Don't miss out on any of these amazing opportunities, so subscribe or join today.